What is up, you guys? So today's a bit of a random video. So basically, I started recording stuff. This is basically a video of future me, because the videos that I'm gonna post are of previous me, but I realised that I hadn't filmed an introduction sort of thing. I used to post videos before, so if you want to look at those you can, although they're very embarrassing and I was very young. I think the last video I posted was 8 years ago. But I thought today I'd teach you how to cook scrambled eggs with salmon. And basically, like, yeah, talk to you. Just chilling, vibing, you know. So we're gonna need some eggs, some butter, some cheese, giant ass onions, spring onions, peppers, some salmon, and some grapes. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna put grapes in my scrambled egg breast. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start by cutting up the onions and the pepper. I always wanted to create content and videos and, you know, like this kind of stuff, but I was always a bit reluctant because I care too much what people think about me, but at the same time you have to just deal with it. Oh my god, these onions are gonna make me cry. My mum got diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer, and they had to like remove the lump, and then she's been going for chemo and stuff. But through that process we decided that we were going to video it because we thought it would be nice to sort of educate people as well on what goes on, because for me I had no idea what would happen through the whole process. And you know, like, you hear about, I don't know, hopefully none of you have had family or friends that have had it, but if you have, you sort of don't really realise the whole, like, what goes on, the whole process of it, until somebody really close, it happens to you. So we started videoing through that, and then I decided that I wanted to continue doing that kind of stuff because it was something that I've always wanted to do. So there's gonna be a lot of videos from before and from now, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be a mismatch, but yeah, I'm gonna post those videos, and then I wanna post some hair stuff. I wanna post some random stuff like this, cooking with Zoheb. But yeah, I just think it'll be quite cool to do that. And now I'm living in Ibiza, and there's so many amazing experiences that I think I'm gonna have that I kind of want to document too. And I'm hoping through this process there's so many things that I have wanted to do that I haven't really, because I'm a procrastinator and I will put things off, and even when I really want to do stuff I won't do it, or, you know, I'm just a lazy bitch. Now that I cut the peppers and the onions, we're gonna crack some eggs. So we're gonna whisk those eggs. Oh, how do it? No. Yeah. No, this is gonna pour over. We're gonna whisk the eggs until you get a nice, smooth, creamy, yellow consistency. And oh my god, I just put it everywhere. Gross. So we've done the eggs. I've got egg all over my hand. Legit, I'm so hungry. Give me food. I don't know if I like the taste of it. Now that we've done the eggs and the peppers and the onions, we're going to grate some cheese. But I don't have a cheese grater, so I'm gonna cut it into really thin slices. It's all about the technique, guys. You just want it to slide right off. Ew, gross, who am I? Ooh. This is one random ass video. I'm gonna cut myself. Nope, I'm okay. All good. Oh my god, okay. I think that's enough cheese. Maybe a little bit more. Guys, I love cheese. Like, I liked cheese, and then I moved in with my best friend, and Liam, shout out, and he was obsessed with cheese, and now I'm obsessed with cheese. I can have cheese on everything. Cheese and mayonnaise. Maybe not on everything, but most things. So now that we've grated the cheese, or sliced the cheese, we're gonna put into the bowl of the eggs some salt. I'm gonna put like that much. Pepper. Ah! And then some of this. Delicious! That's too much. And we're gonna whisk again. So now that we have everything ready, ta-da! We're gonna start cooking. Oh, hey there. So we're gonna start by putting in some. So I kind of like to do this on full heat because I think it's a lot easier on pasta. So I'm gonna put the pan up to full heat, and then I'm gonna put some oil. Shit, I put the wrong one on. How do you do this? I have cooked here before, guys, I promise. Once that started to heat up, you're gonna add some onions. Ah, too hot. No, it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna add the onions. Whoa. And some peppers. Oh shit, I'm gonna stink. Wait, I need to change my worktop.
Tartan. Getting a reveal.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh.
I do not want to go back to work smelling of onions. So we're gonna let those onions fry. And then add the peppers. Ah. And then we turn the heat down. Just a little bit. So once those onions have started to brown, we're gonna add the eggs. And now with a fork, we're just gonna keep whisking the whole way through. And then once it gets to like this consistency, you're gonna take it off the heat and add the cheese. And then you're gonna whisk it off the heat. And then you just wait for that cheese to melt. Can you see that stringy cheese? Mmm, delicious. And I before I used to cook my scrambled eggs like super cooked, but now I kind of like them a little bit not so cooked. And then to this, I'm just gonna cut up the salmon and add that. I always find if I add the salmon and then like on the heat and cook it, it's always like a bit too fishy. Like the scrambled eggs are always a bit too fishy. They taste too fishy. So I like to do it this way once it's like cooked. And then we just whisk that. Okay, whisk. Fork it. Fork it up. Can you hear that? Ah! And there you have it, guys. Zoheb's salmon, cheese, onion, pepper, scrambled egg. Do a taste test. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, guys. See you later. Here you go.